What's going on, my good people? It's a Friday. I just want to do a real quick review on these. Since they touched down, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into them once, probably tomorrow or Sunday when I get the video. But as you can see, one of the most anticipated releases so far this year. What is this? The first quarter of the year. We got the bike air brick by brick, and they coming pretty. This is crazy. You got the box, you got the bag, you got your stamper ramp when you know you got that material that can have mold, and these joints are wrapped individually, which can be dope to protect the shoe, or it could be a nuisance. Look at them here, clean on the done scene. Ooh, boy, look at that. Check that out. Back air on the butt, make it feel real special. Just like that. Hit on the sneakers out this morning well, so it's double up shawty, as they say. This is very, very interesting here on the toe. So you can kind of got this special materials here on the toe box for bikers, right? Who you know you want to run them hard, like they say, all gas and no brakes. You can stop up here with your toe. That's why you got that material, but I ain't doing no biking, so we ain't got to worry about that. But this definitely is some premium material. My favorite color is red. So yes, indeedy, especially being that this shoe is built this silhouette is from 1989, and Jordan 4s are my favorite silhouette, so I definitely had to get these joints. So you just leave a quick comment down below. Like I said, we're going to take a deep dive later on in the week, so stay tuned for that full video. Let me know, did you cop or did you not, or you just going to take the L and move on? I'm not sure if these are going to be more. They're going to do some more drops on these. Hopefully everybody put in their raffle, and eventually they will be getting their pairs. Other than that, again, let me know what you think. Was it worth the hype, or was overhyped and you're not your cup of tea? Thanks for checking this quick little first reaction video out. Have a great weekend, and I'm out. Peace.